Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering identifiers and a compliant image so you won't be interrupted mid-process. Open the Kcet login page and sign in with your application number and OTP. This verifies your identity. Once logged in, navigate directly to the application correction or photo upload section. Do not click unrelated menus. Make sure your photo file meets size and ratio limits before you click upload, because a failed upload wastes time and may lock edits. Next, you select the Change Photo option and pick the prepared file from your device. This initiates server validation. Use the portal's crop and rotate tools to center your face and maintain the 3:4 ratio. This prevents rejection. Once the preview appears, compare it to the Kcet photo guidelines. Clear face, plain background, no accessories obscuring features. When it looks right, confirm the upload so the system replaces the old image and registers the change. Finally, save the changes and download the updated application PDF to confirm the new picture is embedded. Check the timestamp and file preview. If the upload fails, try quick fixes. Clear browser cache, use a different browser or device, or compress the photo slightly below the portal's max size. If errors persist or your edit window is closing, contact the KEA help desk with your application number so you get an official resolution and avoid missing deadlines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.